now I'm conditioning all the interior trim.
All right, so we got this Ford Transit van here. We're gonna do all the side windows on it. It's got a ton of glass. We're gonna get it all tinted up. Check it out. All right, so we have a 2014 Taurus in today. What we're gonna do is remove all this nasty old tint off of it. This is an old dyed film, really cheap. This is what you get when you get those $99 tint jobs. This is dyed. After a year or two, it turns purple because it's dye and it fails. This is what it looks like right here on the car. Then, when we start to take it off, it looks purple like this. Look at that. If you look closely here, this is the original color of the tint that doesn't get any sun. See the difference there? Nasty.
Okay. Well, today the Corvette brought it back so we could wrap the front bumper in gloss black. It's got a lot of road rash on it and he wants to cover it up. He doesn't want to send it to the body shop and have him paint it. So we've polished off the ceramic coating and now we're going to wrap it in gloss black to make it look a lot better. And then we're also going to do some carbon fiber on the rocker panels here. And then after that's all done, we'll ceramic coat it and send it on its way.
So right now what we got going on is we're decontaminating the wheels, getting them all prepped and clean to be able to coat the drum of it. We used Iron X, Purple Power, and a few other chemicals to be able to get all the dirt and debris off of it to get it ready.